Hello everyone. Let's make another program with Windmill. Let's this time rotate the windmill in clockwise as well as anti-clockwise direction as we have done earlier, but make small change. We will rotate the windmill at half speed when we are rotating clockwise, whereas we'll rotate the windmill at full speed when we are rotating anti-clockwise. So the first block we take is Curious Mind. Then we will use the setup motor. So we are using left motor, so we'll use setup left motor. Now we will be rotating the windmill in clockwise direction. So rotate left motor clockwise. We need to rotate this for 2 seconds. So we need wait 2 seconds. And then we'll have to stop the left motor. We'll stop the left motor. But we said that when it is rotating clockwise, we want it to rotate at half speed. So half of 255 is 127.5, but we'll use 127. Now I will duplicate this and put it here, anti-clockwise. But for anti-clockwise, I wanted the full speed. So I will put 255. And that's it. My program for rotating windmill at half speed in clockwise direction and at full speed in anti-clockwise direction is done.